I'm out here again. And I've been playing around with these shapes. Really need to get that center console in. So I've bent a couple tubes up here for that console. So this armrest is going to go in like that. And then console, and then there'll be plates for these. And I bolted this plate down here in the middle, and I've just played with some shapes. Pull that dash down, so I come in here and cut the dash open and bring it down to that plate, because that 7-inch touchscreen's got to go in here. So the cleanest way that I can see to do it is to make the break between the console, and the dash somewhere back in here. I think it may actually go all the way back to this point, because there shouldn't be anything really that needs serviced in there. If I can break this console off, just this part, leave the dash all alone, the cup holder can pop out. And the only thing that should ever need service is these two parts, and you could crawl up underneath for the radio. So now I got these made, and that I'm gonna cut the dash open and start building this console at a round bar. Okay, all right, I'm just tacking bars in here. I got that support that's bolted down, and I made these bars go forward, and there's a support welded in inside there, so that, you'll still be able to get in there and work on stuff, but and then it'll come up into the dash, big touch screen right there. And then I got these bars in. This is the section that's going to be the console. It's going to be able to be removed, and there's going to be a plate welded, and then each one of these things is going to have its own plate. And then the armrest will go in here and open like a door. My bender wouldn't make those 290s. I had to make two different 60s, and then I had to cut and then weld them together to make it that close. And then I got a small kick going out on the front, and this cup holder piece will go in here. It'll drop into a hole. So now I need to go in and see, I just got it tacked to the wall. I need to come in and make all the supports so this can unbolt. The dash can unbolt, take those two bolts out, and then all the bolts in the window, that dash will come out. But I need this separated so that you'll pull the console and then pull the dash. But most likely only the console will ever get pulled, and it probably won't even be the console, it'll just be the plates. So like you want to service a shifter, there'll be a plate bolted, you take it off, and then you can unbolt the shifter. But I think it's coming along. Alright, I'm going to keep working on this stuff now. Alright, I got it all finished out here. This is what it looks like in here. So I come in here and I put this plate down. It's bolted with 1024 screws, so it holds down, and then I got, it's ribbed all the way across everywhere, so it's nice strong boxes. And this section unbolts, the console comes up, and then there's two bolts in that dash, so the two bolts come out, and then you'll have to have the window out, and the whole dash will come out. But I got a cup holder in here. There'll be a plate that goes down, and then that cup holder, it'll be bolted, and then this will clip into it. And then the same thing, it'll be a plate that bolts here, and then a plate that goes over and bolts that rubber boot on. And then same, you know, it'll be a plate for this, you know, handbrake. And then I got an armrest. I have a Mustang. And just sitting in there right now. But it'll fold up and out. Then I got a 7-inch navigation unit. I'll go in there. And I'll have navigation and radio and, you know, I'll hook to my phone, all that good stuff. So the console's done. Like I said, if I ever need to maintenance it, this full section unbolts away from the dash. And the dash bolts in with 2 bolts up front there. So I got a day in this, but I got it all done. There's another step forward. All right. Hope you like this kind of stuff. Have a nice day.